Hello astronomers! Let me show you what I've got here. So I have set up a classic sort of overhead projector, the sort of thing you might have seen. Actually, a lot of you have probably never seen one of these before. The technology is pretty dated. But the idea behind this is that down inside of here, there is a really bright lamp. And it's glowing white. The light coming from it appears white. I have set up on top here actually some paper. It's really washed out because it's all so bright, but there's a piece of paper here that has a sort of a slit cut down the middle of it. And so that's really letting just this bar of light come out rather than this whole thing, this whole big square of light. Then there is this lens assembly up here with a mirror bouncing the light out towards the wall. And there we are seeing the direct light coming out from the projector, going straight up against the wall. So you can see it's shaped like a rectangle, just like the hole that was cut in the paper. And then off to the side, what are we seeing over here? So we are seeing that light from the projector being spread out into its separate colors, being spread out into the violet. My hand is covering this, right? So violet and blue and green and yellow, orange, and red. That light is being split up by a piece of plastic that I have put on top of the projector. This is a material called diffraction grating. So it is a material that's specially designed to take light and split it into its many different wavelengths. So we're going to be taking a look at the light that is coming out from our projector here. Okay. And so we can see that what appears white to our eyes is actually a bunch of other colors. If this full range from violet to blue to green to yellow to orange to red, if this full range of colors hits your eye all at the same time, your brain perceives that as the color white. But the color white is an illusion. There's no such thing. It is actually this mix of colors that we see up here. My t-shirt, on the other hand, it appears dark because it is absorbing all of the light that hits it. So just like the color white is an illusion, the color black is an illusion too. There's no such thing. It's just the absence of color. So in one case, white is you're getting hit with all of these different colors at once. Black is you are getting hit with none of these colors because they're pretty much all being absorbed by my t-shirt. So the light is not going from my t-shirt to the camera, where it can then be recorded and displayed for your eyes. Now, so that's a little bit of an intro to sort of what you're seeing here, but there's more. There's also something you are not seeing. Now, to reveal to us what you are not seeing today, I have made a little gadget here to detect light. So you can tell that I made it because it's just a big, huge mess of wires. Electronics is not really my forte. I can make something that works, but it's not going to be pretty as it doesn't. So I've got a little blinking light that lets me know that I've connected the circuit correctly. So this is my on and off switch. So let's get that attached. Let's turn on the speaker. Alrighty, so now I'm going to try to keep the speaker pointed right towards. Alright, so in the shadow, you can tell that I'm in the shade. Now I have the non-detecting backside facing the light. You hear the change in the sound quality. Not detecting, detecting. Not detecting, detecting. So now, moving over here to my spectrum, I've got, you can use the shadow to see what color I'm detecting. What color am I detecting now? Yeah, violet and blue. When I face away, you hear the change in the sound. So then we come over here. What color am I detecting now? Yeah, green. I face away. I'm not detecting it anymore. Facing it, detecting it. And what color am I detecting now? Yeah, red. I face away. Face towards. Face away. Towards. And over here, I'm off in the shade. What color am I detecting here? I face away, and the sound changes. I face towards, face away, towards, away. There is light there that our eyes cannot see, but it's there nonetheless. We can build gadgets that can see this color of light that our eyes can't. What might be a name for that color of light? This color of light that we're detecting just beyond red. Yeah, infrared. What I've just shown you actually is a variation on the experiment by which infrared light was discovered, though it required a bit more patience and thermometers back in the mid-1800s, or early 1800s, I forget exactly when the Herschels discovered infrared light. But they used thermometers as their light detector and a prism to split out sunlight. Whereas here we can do it a whole lot faster using our handy-dandy projector over here and a little bit of electronics.